Welcome back, everybody. Hope everybody is well today. Okay, so we're gonna do one of my favorite salads is the fruit salad, which is not a fruit salad. It's not just a salad of fruit. It is fruit on top of a salad base, and the difference between that and a fruit salad is it's salty sweet, and that's why these flavors really work. So we're gonna go for like sweet fruit. So basically we've got our base of lettuce. On top of that's gonna go some tomatoes, and now we're gonna add in some melon, some papaya, some blueberries, some pomegranate seeds with some salty feta cheese on top of that. And that is going to be all salted again, plus with the olive oil, plus with the normal apple cider vinegar. And it's going to be the flavors of a normal salad, but the sweetness of the fruit is just going to cut through all of that. It's delicious. It's my favorite. And yeah, me and Marianne disagree on this, but it's definitely my favorite. I'm also going to add to this one, I'm going to add a bit of chili flakes just to get a little bit of heat in there as well. So we've got sweet, we've got salty, we've got a bit of heat. I can't wait. Okay.